This video is to show you how to make the standoffs for the Arduino and ramps board. The standoffs get glued onto the power supply, and they just lift this board above the power supply to allow an airflow underneath. So first thing I want to do is just glue these little spaces together. This is all put together in a way that you can actually unscrew the Arduino and take it out if need be. And if you do that and you've got a load of these little spaces, they do tend to fall down into the machine and get lost. So I'm just going to glue them together to prevent that from happening. So just while that's curing, I'm going to very gently prise the ramps board off the Arduino. You have to do it carefully, otherwise you can bend these pins. I'll put that there. And these should be stuck together. And we're going to use, there are only 3 holes on this, which a screw can go through, a little bolt like this can go through without fouling on some of the components. So the first one is in the corner diagonally opposite the USB connector. The second one is in the center of the board, and the third one is right over next to this power connector. So once I've done that, I'm just going to turn those over, pop the spacers onto the bolt, and then turn the little toggle. Now these two outer ones will have to be oriented in this way, just otherwise they foul on the edges of the power supply. So I'm going to just tighten that like this. This one doesn't really matter. So that's the standoffs, and I'm just going to pop that back in here, seat it back in the right location. And we're ready now to install that into the machine and connect up all the connectors.